how to create and invite someone to your Steam family. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can create a Steam family and at the same time invite someone. Now, before you go ahead and create, make sure that that specific someone you're trying to invite into your Steam family account is make sure that you are already friends via onto your Steam account. So again, make sure that if you're inviting someone into your Steam family, make sure that you already have friends on your Steam account. Next is to click on the Steam option at the upper left and then choose on settings. Now you will have this small window right here, choose on family, and then click on create or join a Steam family. In here, we will be on to the family management. Now choose on create a family. And then in here, just simply name the specific Steam family that you'd like to prefer, and then choose on create. Once you've successfully set up your family management on your Steam account, you should be able to see an invite option, and then all those choices that you will be getting are from your friends list. And that's it. That's how you create and invite someone onto your Steam family.